There was a point when I thought crypto wasn't just for me. Not because I lost money and not because Bitcoin crashed, but because every exchange I tried made the experience unnecessarily difficult. One wanted endless identity verification and one did not support my country. Another looked so complicated that I spent more time figuring out the dashboard than learning about crypto myself. I remember closing my laptop one evening and thinking, if buying crypto is this stressful, maybe this is not for me. But then one recommendation changed everything, and that is how I found CoinEx. Now before we continue, this isn't a sponsored video. CoinEx didn't pay me to do this. This is simply my experience using the platform, and before the end of this video, you would know why this platform CoinEx is my go-to exchange. Like many people, I got into crypto because of the stories. People making life-changing profits, Bitcoin hitting new highs, Ethereum changing finance. Everyone seemed to be talking about digital assets, and I didn't want to be left behind. So I decided to give it a shot. I thought the difficult part would be understanding charts or choosing which coin to buy. The difficult part was simply finding an exchange that didn't make everything feel like a full-time job. One exchange rejected my verification and another one had withdrawal delays. Another restricted users from my region, and some looked like they were simply designed for professional traders. And as a beginner, it was overwhelming. Instead of focusing on investing, I was spending hours trying to understand the platform itself. And that's when I realized something. Sometimes the biggest barrier to crypto isn't the market, it's the tools you're using. I wasn't searching for the best exchange, and I wasn't searching for the one with the biggest marketing budget. I simply wanted something that worked. That's when I came across CoinEx. I created an account expecting another frustrating experience, but surprisingly, the registration was straightforward. The interface was clean. Finding what I wanted felt natural, and within a short time, I was actually exploring what I wanted instead of fighting the platform. The first impression stayed with me, and honestly, first impression mattered. A good first impression gets your attention, but it doesn't earn your loyalty. So here's why I kept coming back. The first thing I appreciate is how easy everything feels. Buying crypto doesn't feel complicated. Checking my portfolio is straightforward. Moving around the app just makes sense. That's important because technology should remove stress and not create it. As I became more interested in crypto, I wanted to explore beyond Bitcoin. CoinEx gave me access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies without forcing me to create accounts on different exchanges. Having everything in one place saves both time and effort. Let's be honest, no matter how beautiful an exchange looks, if it isn't secure, the other feature does not matter. CoinEx provides important security options like two-factor authentication, withdrawal verification, and login protection. Of course, security is also your responsibility. Enable every protection available, use strong passwords, and never share your information with anybody. This is probably my favorite reason. CoinEx doesn't make me feel like I need a finance degree before I can use it. Whether you're buying your first Bitcoin or gradually building your portfolio, the experience feels welcoming rather than intimidating. For someone getting started, that's a huge advantage. Now, no exchange deserves blind praise. CoinEx isn't perfect. Depending on where you live, some payment methods might be more convenient than others. And if you're a professional trader looking for every advanced trading feature imaginable, there are platforms that offer more specialized tools. But that's never been my priority. I wanted reliability. I wanted simplicity. I wanted an exchange that lets me focus on crypto instead of constantly figuring out the platform. For me, CoinEx has delivered that experience. Looking back, I realized something interesting. The exchange I use today isn't necessarily the biggest one. It's the one that removed the most friction from my crypto journey. And that's why CoinEx has remained my go-to exchange. Not because someone told me to use it, not because it's perfect, but because it solved the problem that almost pushed me away from crypto in the first place. If you're just getting started or tired of jumping from one exchange to another, I think CoinEx is worth considering. If you used CoinEx before, I'd like to genuinely hear your experience. Leave a comment below and let's talk about it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.